Okay, so for my midterm basically update, I'm going to show you guys what I've worked on thus far. So my midterm project was is a redesign of my portfolio site along with a comprehensive process book. So the process book's not fully designed yet. I'm still laying things out and deciding how I want things to look, so please don't judge it too harshly. Um, oh, that's slow. So basically, on the first page, I go into information that I covered in the project planning class. So what I'm working on, why I want to redesign my project. Um, then it moves on to my project definition, which was very comprehensive. It tells you anything you need to know about why I'm working on this project, and basically it's a key to my project plan. Then I moved on to my site design. Here are some of the research elements that I included. I didn't include everything because even though I wanted my process book to be comprehensive, I felt that there were certain sites that I could take and look at and pick apart, and it would be more successful than if I just posted 20 photos of websites I looked at and called those inspiration and said, that's it, I'm done. So these were the sites that really stood out to me when I was doing my research. And I broke it down in each of these little summaries, how those work. So moving on from that will be my comps, which I have not finished. Then I kind of shopped my branding process book. This was part of my original site, but it needed some work. The information wasn't as finished as I would like it to be. These are original early comps and then finalized print materials. Right now I'm still working on finalizing the comps for my website. This is what I kind of had in mind for the homepage. This is one of the rough sketches I did for the homepage. The navigation page, the gallery page. So it'd be a simple heading up top, but then there's strips going across, and they'll either be boxes with my work in them, or it'll be one big clickable link. And I want to do that. Here's actually the rough copy of my comp for a homepage. I want to show off as much of my work as I can without, and sorry, I want to show off as much of my work as I can on the homepage so that the user will be interested to click into the gallery and learn more about what each piece is. So that's kind of where I'm at now. I've decided on which theme I'm going to use for my website. I'm going to use WordPress to build it, which is going to be interesting because that's something that I haven't worked with before. I'm going to be using, it's the high-end multi-purpose template. It's a paid theme. It has a lot of flexibility, which I'm pretty interested to see what I can do with that. I'm buying that this weekend, and definitely I'll have my comps finalized by then, so I can start figuring out how to build it because we're at the home stretch. We're halfway through, and that's all I got.